friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me Adwi, your buddy for learning. Friends, today I'm going to take the unit 2 of basic science, the essence of change. And in this class, we will be studying the changes that happens in our daily life. Let's move on to this chapter. At the beginning, we can see a picture. What all are there in this picture? We can see a farmer is ploughing the fields. A man is driving a tractor. A motor is used to pump the water, and a loudspeaker is working. Some street lights are glowing. 2 children are playing, and some clothes are kept for drying, etc. So, for this all needs to work, doesn't it need energy? For example, for the children needs to work, they need energy. And from where they are getting this energy? Yes, they are getting their energy from the food they eat. And like this, energy is needed in our day-to-day activities. Now, we have a table showing some of the context, and we have to write the energy form that is used. The first situation is riding motor vehicles. While riding motor vehicles, it gets the energy from the fuels like petrol, diesel, etc. The next situation is drying clothes. We keep the clothes for drying near the sunlight, isn't it? So it gets the energy from the sun to get dried. Then is bulbs glowing. When a bulb glows, it takes the electrical energy or the electricity. After that, it is loudspeakers working. When a loudspeakers work, it also takes the electrical energy. And this is all in this table. Some of the examples for the energy are light, sound, electricity and heat. We will be studying it in detail later. Now friends, does this object only produce one kind of energy? For example, when a bulb is blown, what energy does it produce? Yes, it produces light energy. And is the light energy only the energy being produced? No, when we touch the surface of this glass, we can feel heat. So this light bulb also produces heat energy. And what can we understand from this? We can identify that an object can produce more than one energy. Now, here is another table showing some situations, and we have to write the forms of energy produced by it and the forms of energy that we make use of. The first situation is a torch is lit. When a torch is lit, it produces heat energy and light energy. But the energy that we make use of is light energy. Then is a candle is burning. When this candle is burning, it also produces heat energy and light energy. But we need the light energy produced by it. Then is firewood is burning in an oven. While this firewood is burning, it produces heat energy and light energy. But we make use of the heat energy produced by it. Because we need the food to be cooked and we don't need the light energy produced by it. Then is an electric bulb is lit. And when an electric bulb is lit, it produces heat energy and light energy. But we need the light energy produced by it. Next is a cracker is bursting. When a cracker is bursting, it produces heat energy, light energy and sound energy. But we need the noise or the sound energy produced by it. We need the noise of it when the festivals and all are coming, and we also need the light energy being produced by it. Next, we will come to another table showing some situations, and we have to write the 3 forms of energy produced by it. First one is when a sparkler is lit. The energy produced by it is heat energy, light energy and sound energy. Then is while riding a motorcycle. While riding it, it produces heat energy, sound energy and electrical energy. Then is while operating a mixer grinder. While operating it, it produces heat energy and sound energy, and it also produces the mechanical energy or electrical energy. Then is while operating an electric motor. While operating it, it produces heat energy, sound energy and the electrical energy. That's all in this table. Next, the energy can be transformed from one form to the another form. The energy will be transformed from one form to the another form. Now let's study about the mechanical energy and the chemical energy in detail. Electrical energy or the energy produced by burning fuels is used to make an engine work and in turn to make machine parts move. Working of an engine involves mechanical energy which enables vehicles move. The electrical energy or the energy that is produced by burning fuels helps a vehicle part move and work. For example, train. If the electrical energy or mechanical energy is very much important for a vehicle part to move. Next is the chemical energy. The energy contained in a substance is chemical energy. Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis. Chemical energy thus stored up reaches animals through food. While burning firewood too, we get the chemical energy stored up in plants. All substances contains chemical energy. Every substance contains this chemical energy. For example, these plants convert the solar energy into the chemical energy using the process photosynthesis. And this chemical energy also reaches to the animals when they eat these plants through food. And every substance contains chemical energy. And we will find chemical energy when we burn these firewoods. That's all about the chemical energy. Next, let's see a cartoon of some cars. Here, a solar car is telling that I work using solar energy because it has solar panels in the car surface. Then the petrol car is telling that me too. How is this petrol car depending on the solar energy? It is because the plants need the sunlight for their growth and all. And when these plants get decayed, before millions of years ago, it turns into fossil fuels. These fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, diesel, CNG, LPG, etc. Next is how many changes. Here we have a table showing some situations and we have to write the energy conversions taking place. The first situation is bulbs glowing. When a bulb glows, the electrical energy is taken and light plus heat energy is produced. Then is working an electric motor to pump water. While doing that, the electrical energy is taken and the sound plus heat energy is produced. Then is lighting a matchstick. While lighting a matchstick, the chemical energy is taken and the heat plus light energy is produced. Then is working a mixer grinder. While working the mixer grinder, the electrical energy is taken and heat plus sound energy is produced. Then is listening to the news on a radio. While listening to the news on a radio, the sound plus heat energy is produced and the electrical energy is taken. That's all in this table. Next we have another table. Let's finish it too. At the beginning, it is fuel burns. If a fuel needs to burn, it takes the chemical energy. And next and below that is a generator working. While a generator works, the energy that it takes is electrical energy. And in below that, there is 3 columns given as not used. And we have to write the not used things in it. The not used energies that a generator produces. They are the heat energy, sound energy and the smoke coming from the generator. And after that, there is 3 situations given. And here we have to write the used and not used ones, the energies that it produces. The first one is a mixer grinder working. While a mixer grinder works, it takes the electrical energy and gives out the sound energy, and that the sound energy is not used. After that is a fan working. The used energy is electrical energy and the not used one is heat energy. In the same way, when a bulb glows, the used energy is electrical energy and the not used one is the heat energy. That's all in this big table. Now we have examined the pictures. Here are 3 pictures. They are a firewood is burning in an oven, a sparkler is lit and a torch is lit. Here are some questions and we have to answer for these questions. So the first question is, which form of energy undergoes change in each situation? What are the forms of energy produced? Here we have to write the form of energy that undergoes changes in each situation. So the first one is the firewood is burning. So the energy that it takes is chemical energy and it produces heat plus light energy. After that, there is the sparkler is lit. When a sparkler is lit, it takes the chemical energy and produces the heat plus light plus sound energy. After that, we have the torch is lit. So the energy that the torch takes is the electrical energy and it produces heat plus light energy. This is the answer for the first question. Now let's move on to the second question. That is, which situation in the given picture does not use light energy? In this situation, the energy that does not takes the light energy is the first one. When a firewood is burning in an oven, that does not take the light energy. After that, the third question is, in which situation is sound energy produced? The sound energy is produced when a sparkler is lit. And after that, this is the fourth question and the final question. That is, in which situation is heat energy made use of? The heat energy is made use of when the firewood is burning in an oven. That is all in the examine the pictures. Friends, by these we are ending this class. See you again in the second part of Essence of Change. And friends, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon near to the subscribe button to get notified when I post new videos. It's me Adwi, your buddy for learning. Bye bye.